Another adjustment you may need to make to text in your Word document is to the case. Case refers to the capital letters being used, either in a title, a sentence, a group of words. There are a number of different cases to choose from. And when we simply type out a paragraph, as we see here in our Tech Connect document we've been working with, 0302 if you're catching up. Typically, the beginning of a sentence is capitalized. You can see some proper names and titles being capitalized, but this is what we would call sentence case. If you wanted to have a title that's all uppercase, that is also an option here in Word. So if you don't type in things the way you want them, case-wise, you can always go back and change them. That's what we're going to do with this document. Let's start by going to this paragraph at the top, connecting you to the latest technology and insider insights. We'll select it by going into the left margin next to it. When you see the arrow, click once to select it. Now we're going to go up to the font group here with the Home tab selected on the ribbon. And you'll notice there is a drop-down arrow next to this Change Case button. Clicking this displays the various case options. There's sentence case right at the top. That's kind of what's being used already in this particular sentence or paragraph. If we want everything to be in lowercase, we can choose that. The reverse is uppercase. We might want to capitalize each word. Works for some titles. And then there's one called toggle case. Go ahead and give that a click. This can happen on occasion where perhaps you have your caps lock key turned on without knowing it, and you hit Shift and the first letter actually creates a lowercase letter and everything else is uppercase. It's the reverse of what you really wanted. In that case, you can always go back and select it like we have here, go back up to the Change Case drop-down and toggle case. It'll toggle it back and forth. There, that's where we started. This might look good with each word capitalized. Let's try that. We'll click the drop-down once again and go to capitalize each word. And you can see what that looks like. It's better for some titles. In this case, this is more of a sentence, so let's try something different. We'll go back up, click the drop-down for Change Case, and this time try uppercase. In this case, you can see every single character is capitalized, and that's going to work for this particular subtitle. Just click in the background to deselect it. In fact, I think we should do the same thing for the next paragraph, which is a subtitle. We'll just go in there, click once in the left-hand margin, back up to Change Case, and choose uppercase. Click in the background to deselect. So for those particular headings, uppercase is going to work. In some instances, you may have titles that would look good with each of the words capitalized. In this case, Tech Connect, you can see, is using that particular option from our drop-down known as capitalize each word. The point is, if you've used the wrong case in the first place, you can always go back and change it.